All right, everyone, prepare yourselves. A father asks for support, which sounds normal, until the mother casually explains she didn't want the baby because it wasn't the right gender. Yes, that actually happens. Watch the judge's face carefully. That pause, that's disbelief loading. And if you think that's the worst part of this case, just wait. We're only getting started.
Yes.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Bishop,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, my girlfriend, Linda, she hasn't been supporting the child like I feel like she should be doing.
What do you mean she hasn't been supporting the child? You
Well,
talking about emotional support? You talking about financial support? What type of support are you talking about?
Financial support, actually being there, visiting. It's very rare that she comes around.
Okay. And what is it that you're asking me to do about that?
Well, I would like to have some kind of financial support from her end, and if we could set up some sort of visitation that she actually is in the child's life.
Okay, how old is the child?
2 years old.
2 years old.
2 years old.
You don't visit with the baby?
No, I mean,
No?
I have a night job, and so I sleep during the day, so it's really hard to get up and see the child.
So because you have a night job, you cannot spend time with your baby? That's what you're saying today?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're okay with that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you not want to be a mom?
No, Your Honor. I did not want the child. Philip convinced me to have him. I thought it would be okay, but it ended up being a boy, not a girl.
So let me get this straight. You do not want the child because it's a boy and not a girl?
Correct.
That is like the most ridiculous thing anybody has ever said in my court.
Now comes the logic twist. Since he wanted the child, apparently he should fund and raise the child alone. Fascinating theory. The judge, however, seems unimpressed with this selective responsibility model. This is where courtroom reality interrupts personal convenience. And judging by the tone shift, someone's about to learn that parenting isn't a subscription you cancel.
Room because of the gender? So do you not think you need to be paying child support to him?
No, he makes more money than I do.
But he has the full responsibility of parenting the child. You're not doing anything. You don't even want the baby.
Yeah, if he wanted the baby, he should take care of it then.
You made that up. Okay, let's go ahead and move forward because, okay, how much money do you make?
$4,000 a month.
4,000. 4,000. What do you do for a living?
I'm an entertainer.
What does that mean?
I'm an exotic dancer.
Oh, okay. So $4,000. Wait a minute. So you mean to tell me that exotic dancers cannot be in their children's lives? Oh, no, you said you don't want to be in the child's life.
Yes.
You just want him to pay you child support and you want him to assume the full responsibility of taking care of the child too because he wanted the child.
Well, I didn't want child support from him. He can just have...
But you don't want him to pay. I mean, you don't want to pay him.
Correct.
No, that's not how this works. He is not going to be the one that takes care of the child 100% of the time, and then you just get to go dance or whatever it is that you do. I'm not exactly sure what you do at your overnight job.
Time for math, the part no one enjoys. The judge calculates income, subtracts, adjusts, and lands at nearly $1,000 monthly. Suddenly, confidence fades. Then comes the bonus reminder, earn more, pay more. That small realization hits hard. Funny how financial obligations become very real the moment they're printed in dollars and cents.
That's just not how it works. So let me tell you what we're going to do. You're going to start paying him child support a month. Now, in terms of visitation, if she doesn't want to visit with the child, there's nothing I can do to make her do that. However, she will start paying some sort of child support today, okay?
Okay.
And you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you have a problem with that?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, just making sure. So, at $4,000 a month, I have your net calculated at $3,266.81, which brings your child support amount to, you only have one child?
Correct.
Okay, $653.36, and you cover health insurance?
Yes.
How much is it?
$344 a month.
300, and that's for the child only. That doesn't include you, right?
Correct.
Okay. So that amount is going to be added to that. So $653.36 plus the $344 that he pays in health insurance will be $997.36 a month.
Okay.
Okay? All right? That should be enough for you to cover anything that you need to get for the child. And just so you know, this child is going to grow up, obviously. He's 2 years old now. He can come back later as, you know, his life changes. He starts going to school. He might want to put him in private school or, you know, anything like that. Any type of extracurricular activities. He comes back in here. You've made more money. You already know what's going to happen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What's going to happen?
I will have to pay more.
Oh, okay. Long as you understand that. All right. Is there anything further?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Okay.
I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the case of Bishop versus Sanchez. So the child had been living with dad this entire time. Mom didn't want the kid. Ultimately, she didn't want to pay any type of child support. Well, that's absolutely not how it works. Whomever the child lives with, that is considered the custodial parent, and they are entitled to receive child support. It does not matter if the non-custodial parent feels like they don't want to have anything to do with the child, they don't want to visit with the child. That still does not negate their child support obligation.
New case, same energy. The father skips court because bridge building overseas is apparently more pressing than child support, so his wife attends instead. Bold move. She starts explaining his impressive salary, and you can almost hear the legal gears turning. It's always interesting when someone walks in to defend a case and unknowingly strengthens the opposition.
Judge, this is a case of Vanderbilt.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Miss Vanderbilt,
Yes, ma'am.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, my son, he's 6 years old, and Damien, I'm actually bringing him to court because he hasn't paid child support in the last 3 years.
Okay.
And our son is 6, like I was saying.
Okay. Is that it? Does the child live with you?
He lives with me, and so I haven't had any kind of help. And whenever I call him to come get his son, he says he's going to come, but he doesn't show up. And so I'm here to get money for him
Okay.
to help take care of our son.
Okay, where is this Damien?
No.
No, ma'am.
Who are you?
I'm his wife.
Okay, that's great. But why are you here?
Because he's out there building the bridge of Gibraltar. He's an engineer.
Right, but this is his child, right?
Yes.
So this has nothing to do with you. So I'm confused as to why you're present today.
Oh, just to handle the current situation.
Oh, okay. Well, that'll be cute. You're going to help him just right. All
Yeah.
right. So he's building what now?
The bridge of Gibraltar over in Italy.
Oh. How much is he making for building this bridge?
I think easily like 80,000 just
80?
for that.
80,000 just for that?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
very important.
Oh, very important. Right.
Now the emotional subplot kicks in. Cheating, resentment, competitive glances, everything except accountability. The judge quickly reminds them this isn't relationship counseling hour, but tension like this doesn't disappear quietly, it lingers. And while they argue about the past, the court is preparing to calculate the future.
Right. Okay, according to what you submitted on his behalf, he makes about $104,000.
That sounds about right.
It sounds about right? Mm-hmm.
Can't
That's
pay
a
for
nice
his
ring you
child.
have on.
Oh, thank you.
Is that new? He just bought that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, great. Interesting. Okay. Anything, do you all have any kids or anything?
Yes, we have 2 kids together.
2 kids, okay.
Cheated on me with her.
Excuse me?
I was saying he cheated on me with
Are
her.
you mad? Are you little mad or big mad?
I think I'm big mad.
Oh, okay.
You know,
Well,
because
you know what? You're going to have to get over it because this is not a therapy court, okay?
Right. Okay.
You're going to have to get over it. And I don't need you taunting her, okay? That's not cute. Ma'am, all this attitude, you know, you guys really need to try to be friends and get along. Well, you don't necessarily have to be friends. You should try to get along, considering that this is your child with her husband, and that is your stepchild.
I guess so.
You guess. No, that's what it is. So you two need to start trying to get along, and you need to get over yourself and stop being so mad.
Okay.
So,
Here's the moment strategy collapses. She proudly confirms a 6-figure income, handing over detailed financial proof. The judge thanks her by using every number provided. The confidence shift is subtle but undeniable. Sometimes enthusiasm in court is not your friend, especially when math is involved.
Based on what he makes that you provided to the court, he's going to be paying child support. Did you know that by you showing up today and telling me how much he makes that he would have to pay?
That doesn't make any sense. How like, why? Like, he's already paying for me and my kids, and she should have been a better wife. I mean, I was
Excuse
giving
me?
him what she.
How do you know what type of wife that she was? Were you in their house? Yes or no?
No, I would. Well,
Yes, she was, but I wasn't there
Well, you know,
in my
you know
bed
what?
and stuff.
The fact that you think
Nasty.
that is even funny is not attractive at all. So, ma'am, he was served to be here today. He failed to show up. And unfortunately, he's going to have to be in default, which means that I can honor her request to make him pay child support. Please, don't look confused. It kills me when you come on here and you show up for him. This has obviously nothing to do with you, but you want to show up in his place and then look confused when he's ordered to pay child support based on what you submitted to the court. So, based on that $104,000, I have his gross at $8,666.67, net of $6,525.63. Who pays health insurance for?
I do.
How much do you pay?
For both of us, $300.
No, ma'am.
For him, $150.
Yes, for him only $150.
Yes,
He's
ma'am.
also going to be responsible for reimbursing that too. Make sure you relay that message to him when he finished building this so important bridge, okay? Okay, I have child support with the reimbursement for health insurance at the $150. I have that set at $1,100.
Final act. Direct payments, gifts. Skipping court, default. Over $1,000 monthly, official. In both cases, avoidance was the game plan and accountability was the outcome. Courtrooms don't reward denial, they calculate it.
$12.53.
Wait, Judge.
Wait, you're looking real confused. What is it?
No, okay, so anytime she asks for money, he sends it. And I've seen him do it. And anytime he calls to come see his child with her, he's willing to go. But anytime he calls, she never picks up. He's like, where is he? Never hear from her. Like, he really does try.
That's the problem.
And
I
Let me
should
ask
have
you a
to
question.
call him.
Excuse me. You will not do that. You will not address her. You will address me.
Yes, ma'am.
So anything that he has given her directly is considered a gift. He doesn't get credit for that.
He needs to.
Well, he needed to be here as well, didn't he? But he thought the bridge building was more important.
Well, yeah, he has to support me and my family as well.
Right, but his son is also his family as well. So you might want to learn how to blend a family, okay?
Oh, I know how to blend.
Oh, you know what? Is there anything further?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you all are dismissed. Hi guys, it's Vonda Bailey, and I'm coming to you as the lawyer this time. We have arrived at the educational portion of our show. I just wanted to go over what this segment will cover and how the different scenarios interact with child support under Texas law. I wanted to go over what you all just watched in that particular situation. I'm served to participate in a child support hearing. I don't show up. I send my spouse to go turn in my documents. Everything should be okay, right? Wrong. The person who is summoned to be in court is the person who has to appear in court. If that person does not appear in court, guess what? You're in default of the court, which means that whatever relief is being requested, the court can pretty much order it. And in this particular episode, what you saw was the spouse showed up in place of her husband. But what else did she do? She actually turned in how much money he made, all of his financial documents. She produced it to the court. So in essence, she's pretty much the reason why I had the numbers to even do any type of calculation. So guys, just make sure that not only are you showing up for court, keep your spouses and significant others out of it.
If you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next one.